Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about mass transfer 2 in unit number 6 crystallization. The topic is the Shishwan-Walker crystallizer. This is the most important. This one most important, and the second is the double pipe crystallizer. In a crystallization, in a previous lecture, में आपने जोયું तो mechanically agitated vessel. Okay, then after most important crystallization equipment for this basis. Okay. So first of all આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું એનું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પાર્ટ, then after main figure and working. Okay, then after જોઈશું આપણે ડબલ પાઇપ સ્કેપ સરફેસ ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝર and also vacuum crystallizer construction part for also figure. Okay, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે this zone અને પછી રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈશું આપણે જે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા એ. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધ સિસોન વોલ્કર ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝર મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ થિયરી છે, જીટીયુમાં વારંવાર પૂછાય છે. The Sisson-Walker crystallizer is a cooling type continuous jacked through crystallizer. It is an example of the scrap surface in a crystallizer and is probably the most widely used crystallizer. Okay, and it is an example of the scrapped surface crystallizer and is probably the most widely used crystallizer. Okay. First of all, the discussion part only, introduction part. The Sisson-Walker crystallizer is a cooling type છે, continuous છે, jack through crystallizers છે. Okay, it is an example of this scrapped surface crystallizer and it is probably the most widely used crystallizer. And the construction part of this there simply this figure. Okay. તો ફિગરમાં શું કીધું છે કે સિસોન વોલ્કર ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝર આપ્યું છે, તેમાં ક્રિસ્ટલ મધર લિક્વાયર જેકેટ સ્પાઇરલ એજિટેટર ફીડ થ્રુ આઉટ જેકેટ કઈ રીતેનું વર્કિંગ થશે એ આપણે ટોટલી ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પાર્ટ જોઈએ. ઇટ કન્સિસ્ટ ઓફ અ લોંગ ઓપન રેક્ટેન્ગ્યુલર ટ્રુથ with a semi-cylindrical bottom, for example a U shape. Okay, જો is a U shape, this one jacket આપ્યું છે તમને, through any width 0.6 meter and length છે 3 થી 6 meter. Okay, the through is jacked extremely for circulating the coolant during operation. Spiral agitator rotating at about 7 rpm is incorporated in the through in such a way that the close to the bottom of this through as possibilities. The capacity of the crystallizer can be increased by arranging a number of units in a series for a 4/3 to of a 3 meter length and each may be arranged. Okay, at one end of this crystallizer an inlet for the hot solution is provided and the other end of this crystallizer an overflow gate for the crystals and the mother liquid discharge is provided. The functions of this spiral are agitators to scrape the crystals from the cooling surface, to prevent accumulations of the crystals on the heat transfer surface, to lift over this shower and the crystals through the solutions, so that the crystals will be held in a suspension and thereby the crystals of uniform size can be obtained as depositions occurs mainly by build up on a previously formed crystals. Okay, and the third one is to convey the crystals from one of the end of the equipment of the other end. Okay, so again repeat કરું છું. This one part is a Shishwan-Walker crystallizer. This is the cooling type continuous jack through the crystallizer, and also it is an example to scrapped surface crystallizer and is probably the most widely used crystallizer. Okay, simply the construction part. It is consist of a long open rectangular through which a semi-conductical bottom of the part. For example, U shape તમને આપ્યો છે through any width 1.6 મીટર છે અને લેન્થ છે 3 થી 6 મીટર. ઓકે, the through is jacked extremely for a circulating the colon during operations. હવે જે સર્ક્યુલેટિંગ થાય છે એના માટેનું ડ્યુરિંગ ટાઈમ વાપર્યું છે. A spiral agitator rotating at bottom 7 rpm is incorporated in the through in a such way for a close to bottom of this through as is a possible part. Okay, simply the capacity of this rectangular, okay, આ જે રેક્ટેન્ગ્યુલર આપ્યું છે તમને જેકેટમાં, okay, crystals plus mother liquid in a shaft through jacket, okay, feed streams. હવે વર્કિંગ કઈ રીતે થશે તે આપણે કમ્પ્લીટલી જોવાનું છે. Okay, a spiral agitator in the at 7 rpm is incorporated in the throat in a such way that is close to the bottom of the through as a possibilities. The capacity of this crystallizer can be increased by arranging a number of unit in a series. 4 throats of 3 meter length each may be arranged. Okay, at one end of the crystallizer also an inlet for this hot solution is provided and the other end of this crystallizer. Okay, an overflow gate for the crystals and a mother liquid discharge is provided. The functions of this spiral agitator are this third one, 3 steps. Which one? તે આપણે જોઈએ. The first one is there to scrape the crystals from the cooling surface, for example to prevent accumulations of the crystals from on the heat transfer surface also. Second one is there to lift and shower the crystals through the solution so that the crystals will be held in a suspension and thereby the crystals of uniform size can be obtained as decomposition occurs mainly by build-up on a previously from the crystal also. And the third one is there, this one, to convey the crystals from one end of equipment to the other end. Okay, હવે મેઇન જોઈશું આપણે other construction part for this in a belt wise. The through is formed out of the metal sheets welded to an angle iron frame and the top jacket is usually made of mild steel. The spiral agitator is supported at either end outside of the through and the stuffing box assembly is attached to the cover on either end that prevents the leakage of this liquid from the opening provided for a shaft. The shaft is driven by a belt, for extra part. Okay, હવે મેઇન ફિગર જોઈશું આપણે કે એમાં કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પાર્ટમાં કઈ કઈ વસ્તુ આપેલી છે. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો તમને જેકેટ આપેલો છે. ઓકે, જેકેટ આ એક તમને થ્રુ સાઇડ આપેલો છે, ધીસ વન. હવે સિમ્પલી ફીડ અહીંયાથી ઇનલેટ થશે. ઓકે, આમાં તમને થ્રુ સાઇડ આપેલો છે, આ શાફ્ટ જે કમ્પ્લીટલી રોટેટિંગ થશે, આ સ્પાઇરલ એજિટેટર આપેલું છે, કવર આપેલું છે, જેકેટ તે કઈ ટાઈપનું હશે તે આ ટાઈપનું હશે જેકેટ. ઓકે, આમાં ક્રિસ્ટલ પ્લસ મધર લિક્વિડ. ઓકે, a jacket is usually made of mild steel. The spiral agitated is supported at either end outside the through. A stuffing box assembly is attached to the cover on either end that prevents leakage of the liquid from the opening provided for a shaft. The shaft is driven by the belt etc. Okay, all this point out. Okay, આ એનું વર્કિંગ છે તે જોઈએ આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં કે કઈ રીતનું વર્કિંગ કરવાનું છે તે. Okay, the working part, a hot concentrated solution is fed at one end of the open through and flows slowly towards the other end of the through. Okay, simply this one. Okay, જ્યાં આપણે ફીડ ઇનલેટ કરાવીએ છીએ એ વસ્તુ. Okay, okay, simply a hot concentrated solution is fed at one end of the open through and flows slowly towards the other end of the through. The water is fed to the jacket in such a way that it flows in the counter current, the fashion which respect to the solution also. Okay, a hot concentrated the solution is fed at one of the end of this open through, flows slowly towards the other end of the through. The water is fed to the jacket Okay, such as the in a flow in a counter current fashions. Okay, જ્યાં simply આપણને અહીંયા counter current નું કીધું છે. And the fashion with respect to the solution. Okay, the solution while flowing through cools by heat transfer to water also. Once the solution become supersaturated, crystals start forming the building. Okay, a spiral agitator keep to the crystal in a suspension of the solid, so that the previously from crystal grow instead of information of new crystals, and ultimately the two phase mixture of the crystals, and the liquid leaves the crystallizer through on a overflow gate is. Okay, simply the advantages of these crystals include saving in a floor space, in a material in the processes also, saving in a labor. This crystallizer is suitable only when supersaturation can be achieved by the cooling alone, જે સિમ્પલી આ પાર્ટ્સમાં આપણને કીધું છે. ઓકે, C1 this is the most important. ઓકે, આપણે આ ડિટેલ્સમાં બધી વસ્તુ જોવાની છે કે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયું તો સિમ્પલી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ ઓફ ધ ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન ઓલ્સો, equilibrium of the yields, supersaturation of the method, nucleation parts, crystals growth, crystallization equipment માં આપણે vacuum crystallizer જે બાકી છે, C1 crystallizer, agitated, draft tube, Mayer supersaturation theory, crystallization with the without shading. Okay, calculation of the crystal yield, how to calculate cracking of the crystals and its prevention part. Okay, એ બધું આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈ ગયા છે. ઓકે, હવે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે શું જોઈ ગયા હતા તે જોઈ લઈએ એક વખત. This one, simply the classification of the crystallizer. In a first one is the batch wise crystallizer and a continuous wise. Okay, આમાં classification based on the method જે achieving supersaturation માં છે. Supersaturation by cooling alone, એમાં first one છે batch agitated tank crystallizer also, continuous C1 Volcker crystallizer. Okay, supersaturation by adiabatic evaporation and cooling also. Okay, and this one simply vacuum crystallizer with and without external classifying seed bed. Okay, and the supersaturation by evaporation also. Okay, and after crystallizers, draft tube crystallizer. Okay, in this way, for a simply batch and agitated tank crystallizer, continuous C1 crystallizer જે આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈ ગયા છે. અત્યારે આપણે supersaturation by adiabatic માં આપણે જોયું હતું કે vacuum crystallizer in with and without existing flow classified in bit set. ઓકે, આપણે ડ્રાફ્ટ ટ્યુબ ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝર જોવાના છે ખાસ, જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે એ આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોવાના છે ડિટેલ્સમાં. બરાબર. હવે સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન બાય ઇવોપોરેશન છે જેમાં ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝર અને ડ્રાફ્ટ ટ્યુબ છે. ઓકે, તો ફર્સ્ટ આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા એજિટેટેડ ટ્રેન ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશનમાં. ઓકે, એની સિમ્પલ ફિગર્સ છે આ ટાઈપની. ઓકે, હવે આપણે રિવિઝન કરીશું આ ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશનનું C1નું. અને ડબલ પાઇપ છે, વેક્યુમ ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન છે, કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પાર્ટ છે એનો. પછી જોઈશું આપણે કુલિંગ ટાઈપ જોઈશું, પછી ક્રિસ્ટલ ગ્રોથ છે, ઓસ્લો છે, પછી દેન આફ્ટર which one draft tube. ઓવરઓલ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. which one is the draft tube? Which one? Oslo evaporator and also is a crystal growth. Okay, crystal and also Oslo in the vacuum crystallizer for a circulating magma and vacuum crystallizer also. Okay, simply the working part आज આપણે રિવિઝન કરીશું. A hot concentrated solution in a feed at one of the end through the flow slowly towards the other end of this through. The water is fed to the jacket in such a way okay, and slowly the feed in the through pipe. So water is feed to the jacket in a such a way that is flow in a counter current fashion માં આપેલું છે તમને, okay, counter current fashion with respect to the solution also, and the solution while flowing through the cools by heat transfer to water, and once the solution becomes supersaturated, crystals start forming and building. A spiral agitator keeps the crystal in a suspension so that previously formed the crystals grow instead of the formation of new crystals, and ultimately the two phase mixture of the crystals and liquid leaves. Okay, the crystallizers through and overflow gate is for advantages of this crystallization included a saving in the floor space, in the material in the process is also, and a saving in labor. Okay, this crystallizer is suitable only when supersaturation can be achieved by the cooling alone. Okay, and this is a simply figure part. Okay, so thank you so much. Next lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું ડ્રાફ્ટ ટ્યુબ.